Hello! Welcome to Andre Craft Show. A rose without a sepals won't be nice, so today I'm going to share with you how to make these sepals here. Like this. To start, make a magic ring or magic circle. I'm using 2 mm size of hook and a green color yarn. So make 5 single crochet inside that circle that you just made. Tighten it and insert it in the first single crochet that you make. You need also scissors for the tools and materials for this project, and of course a glue for later when you assemble the project. Okay, so I did slip stitch, chain 1, make increase, so 2 single crochet in each chain or stitch. So that is 2. You should have 10 single crochet in total. Seven, 8, 9, 10, and then slip stitch, chain 1. We'll proceed to the next round, which is increasing again. We should have 15 single crochet. So single crochet first and then increase in the next stitch. So that's 3 single crochet in the first stitch, increase in the second. That is 6 single crochet and then increase. So that is 9 single crochet and then increase. That's 12 single crochet, then increase. That makes it 15 single crochet in total. Again, slip stitch, chain 1. We will do now again increase in to 20 single crochet. So what you're gonna do, single crochet in the 2 next stitches and then increase. Do it again. 1, 2, increase. 1, 2, increase. So we already have 12 single crochet. 1, 2, increase. Increase means 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. So that's 16. 1, 2, increase. That's make it 20 single crochet. So you did slip stitch, so I'm gonna chain 1. Now we will just single crochet all the way around, which has a total of 20 single crochet. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now if you want it to be more deeper, like we are making like a cone where your petals will be sitting on top of this one. So if you want it to be more deeper, you just have to add another round of 20 single crochet. But I don't want, so I'm fine with this one. What I'm gonna do next is chain 1. I will start making these wings here. This. So chain 1 single crochet like 4 times in the next 4 stitches. So 3, 4. Now I will chain 1, turn work, and I will do some increase in the first stitch and in the last only. So you should have 6 single crochet in this row. So again, I will chain 1, turn work, increase. This will be the last increase row. Just increase in the first and the last stitch. So you must have 8 single crochet in total. So 7, 8. After this, we will do a decrease. So chain 1. At this point, you only have to decrease in the first and second stitch. 2, 3. That makes your single crochet 7 in total. Okay, only in the first and second. The last one, you don't need to do anything, just single crochet. Again, we'll do it again. We'll do decrease all the way until we have 1 decrease single crochet left. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chain 1, decrease. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then chain 1, decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4. It gets smaller and smaller. So this is gonna be 3. Again, just keep decreasing in the first and second only. Yani, first, second stitch. So here, this is the last decrease I will make. So there will be 1 single crochet, but we will not end here. I will still do 1 more single crochet without decrease. So it should look like this. Now I will chain 1, cut the yarn. Here's your first sepal. We'll do it one more time. Insert it here. You must have 5 sepals in total. So okay, and then chain 1 single crochet in the same stitch as your chain 1. Okay, 2, 3, 4. So chain 1, increase, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, increase only in the first stitch and then the last stitch. So you must have 6 single crochet. Again, chain 1, increase, increase only in the first stitch and in the last stitch. You must have 8 single crochet. The next round will be decrease. So I decrease 1, decrease only in the first and second stitch. In the last stitch, you don't need to do anything. So you must have 7 single crochet in total. Again, decrease. This must have 6 single crochet, and the next will be 5, 4, 3 until you have 1 left. Three, 4, 5. Decrease 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. And then 1. But we will not end here because this is a decrease, so meaning there was 2 stitches here. That makes it 1 single crochet. So we will do a 1 single crochet without decrease. So that's gonna be your last single crochet. Chain 1, cut the yarn. You must have this one. Your sepals is ready. On my next video, I will share with you how to make a rose bud. This small rose here. There is a almost blooming rose also, which I will show you as well how to make this. And also, there's a bloom rose, as you can see. I will also make a tutorial for this one. So please subscribe, like, share this video. Stay safe and God bless us all. Bye-bye.